Nobody tells you this. Earning money isn't hard. Staying broke is. Yeah, that stings a little. Good. It's supposed to. Because if earning money was impossible, you wouldn't see normal people, not geniuses, quietly moving ahead, not louder than you, not luckier, just consistent. And relax. I'm not talking down to you. I was you. If you're new here, welcome. Because today I'm telling you the truth about earning money. Not the Instagram version, not the fake hustle version. The real one, the one nobody explains properly. Here's the uncomfortable part. Most people don't fail because they're lazy. They fail because they're distracted. They try everything. For a few days, maybe 2 weeks. Then quit. New app, new idea, new excitement, same bank balance. I didn't realize this until last year. Earning money is boring at first. Really boring. No likes? No praise. No one saying, bro, you're doing great. Just silence. And that annoying question in your head. Is this even working? That moment, that's the test. Most people leave right there. Not because it doesn't work, but because it doesn't reward them fast enough. Let me ask you something, honestly. When was the last time you stayed consistent with one thing for 6 months? Not 6 days, not 6 weeks, 6 months. Yeah, exactly. We love the idea of money. We hate the process of earning it. We want freedom, but not discipline. We want options, but not boredom. Here's where people mess up. They think money comes from motivation. It doesn't. Motivation is emotional. Money is logical. Money comes from value, solving problems, being useful. That's it. And before you say, I don't have any skills, good. That's actually perfect, because skills can be learned. Excuses just feel comfortable. Almost every high-income skill today started as a YouTube search. Editing, design, sales, coding, marketing, copywriting, free videos, free tools, free knowledge. But here's the part nobody warns you about. Information doesn't make you money. Action does. You don't need 10 skills. You need one, and you need to stay with it longer than your emotions want to. This part changed everything for me. Stop asking, how do I make money fast? Start asking, how do I become valuable? Because money always chases value. Always. Warren Buffett didn't wake up rich. He built value. Slowly, quietly, boringly. Now people call him lucky. Funny how that works. Let's talk about the middle-class trap, because this one hurts. You earn just enough to survive, not enough to breathe. So you're tired, but not broke enough to panic. Comfortably stuck. Another EMI, because future you loves stress. Another weekend gone, because Monday is coming anyway. And slowly, dreams turn into jokes. I'll do it someday. Yeah, sure. Here's a truth that wakes people up. Your salary isn't your worth. It's just the price your skills get paid today. And prices change, but only if you change. This is where earning money actually starts. Not with hustle, with identity. You stop seeing yourself as someone who needs money and start seeing yourself as someone who creates value. That shift is quiet, but it's powerful. Because now you don't ask, who will pay me? You ask, who needs this? That's how side hustles start. That's how freelancers grow. That's how businesses are built. And no, you don't quit your job tomorrow. That's fake motivation. You build at night, early mornings, weekends. Tired? Good. That means you care. Instagram shows rich lives. Your bank app shows reality. But here's the hopeful part. Listen carefully. People earning more than you aren't special. They just stayed longer. They survived the boring phase, the awkward phase, the nobody believes in you phase. Most people quit right before momentum. That's the cruel part. Picture your future for a second. No hype, just reality. Opening your bank app and not feeling stress. Choosing things instead of calculating them. Helping your family quietly. No announcements, just action. That doesn't come from wishing. It comes from stacking small wins. One skill, one client, one improvement. Day by day. Waiting for motivation won't save you. Clarity comes after action, not before. Ray Dalio said it simply. Pain plus reflection equals progress. Most people feel pain. Few reflect. Even fewer change. And here's the final truth. The one that hits late at night. You're already paying the price, either with effort or with regret. Learning is hard. Staying broke is harder. Discipline is hard. Explaining what happened at 40 is harder. This isn't about being rich. It's about being free enough to breathe. If this hit a little too close, subscribe. We're not done yet.